Aloha, e komomai. Welcome to the Island Colony Tour at 445 Seaside Avenue. This is in Waikiki on the island of Hawaii. Today we are featuring on the 39th floor, Studio 3917. E komomai. Welcome. Efficient kitchenette, comfortable furnishings, and a fabulous view of Diamond Head Crater. The studio is all about the views. Hawaii Ocean Club Realty pride ourselves in the comfort of our guests. Upon taking over managing the studio, we recommended to do some adjustments and upgrades. We hope you enjoyed one of the many properties we manage and host on Airbnb. Stay tuned for more of our property tours and the transformations we love doing. Book now, hawaiioc.com.